Hi, today we're going to make this chess cake. You will need any type of cake. It could be any taste, vanilla, chocolate, whatever. I made a vanilla cake and I cut it in 3 layers. You can cut it in 2 and whatever type amount of layer you want. Then I made the filling and I made chocolate mousse. So first I put 1 layer, I wet it with a bit of water with sugar, and then I put the chocolate mousse on top of it. I covered it again with another layer of cake. Again, I wet it with water and the sugar. I put milk jam and then I covered it again, and again I brushed it with water and sugar so it wouldn't be too dry. And then I just flatten it down with my hands so it won't be it won't have a bump in the middle of the cake, especially in the middle. You have to press it down. And you leave it in the fridge overnight for a couple of hours. Then I made 2 chocolate circles, 1 white and 1 black. And then I found this mold that has the chess pieces, and I made them in dark chocolate and white chocolate. And then I just stuck some of the pieces together with some melted chocolate, and the others I just left them like they were in the mold, like halfway. And then I cut the chocolate circles. I marked squares in the black and the white ones, and then I cut them like that. If not, you could just mark them and then you just snap the chocolate and it will break. Some of them will break, but it doesn't matter because you're going to have 2 circles, so half of it you won't use. Then I took the cake out of the refrigerator. I put frosting all around and on top, and then I started placing the chocolate squares more or less so it looked like a chessboard. And then I stuck the chess pieces. I made the edge better, putting a bit of buttercream around it, and there it is. That's my chess cake. I hope you guys like it. It's very easy to make, so follow me if you like this, if you want more recipes, and activate the bell so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Bye.